So malapit na tayo sa Kawit Bridge. So malapit na nga. Malapit na nga. Ayan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Joseph Manchos. And again, with me is Albert Lodana and ikaw ka naman dyan. And also GMF Darwin Masinas with me. And ano pangalan nitong mga kahoy? Ayan, nandito na sila. Ayan yung mga kasama namin guys out there. So we are featuring the beautiful Manito Albay here in, of course, the beautiful Albay, Philippines. So thank you so much for the beach camp, for the wonderful accommodation, and of course, here is our accommodator. Ayun, ang pangalan ni Sir? Anong pangalan ng may-ari ng beach camp?
Pogs.
Si Sir Pogs, ayan, ano pa? Roel
Magallanes.
Ayan, si Sir Roel Magallanes and ayan, his beautiful wife. Thank you so much for accommodating. Ayan, don't forget the beach camp here in Manito, Albay. Thank you so much, sir, for accommodating us. Salamat po. Ayan, thank you so much. Hope you see again. Ayan, thank you so much. Salamat kaya, salamat. Ninong! Ninong! Soon. Thank you so much. And papunta na tayo ngayon sa Kawit Bridge here. Here is the Manito Mangrove Forest. Ito pala yun, tahanan ng samot-saring wildlife. Ayan, dito makikita yung mga samot-saring wildlife. Yan, hindi to, okay, ito, ipupicture natin siya, Okay, here we are. The samot-saring wildlife here. We have the mangrove mafia. Hindi ko na isi-isiin. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Ayan, makikita nyo naman. So, but before, thank you so much. Ayan, nakikita na natin witnessing. Ayan, the bridge. Ang liit lang niya, pero something, kahapon dumaan kami dyan. Baka naman. Ayan, calling the attention of Congressman Joey Sarte Silceda and of course, our Congressman Saldico for the renovation of this Kawit Bridge here in Manito, Albay. Ayan, thank you so much for this. Soon TV project and renovation of this wonderful bridge connecting to the city of Manito and to the beautiful beaches here in Manito. So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo naman. Ayan. So, papunta na kami. Hello po! Ayan, papunta kami. Ito siya. Medyo maliit lang siya. And this part is a road. Concrete part. And makikita natin dito at the this part is, ayan, makikita natin merong konting sira na siya. So, yung part na ito, ayan, baka naman. Ayan, thank you so much to our political friends out there. And also, pinagtagpi-tagpi lang siyang mga bamboo and kahoy. So, medyo creepy din. Ayan, nakikita niya siya. Pag pinuntahan niyo siya, ayan, medyo mahaba din siya. And medyo rusty na din. Ayan, baka naman. Medyo ako din natakot dito, no? Pero the beautiful island of Manito, Albay. Witnessing here the bridge out there and the beautiful, oh my god, natatakot ako. Ayan, medyo, ayan, ganyan guys, makikita nyo. So, medyo nakakatakot nga din. Baka naman, ayan, to our friends. Even out there, Governor Grex Lagman for the renovation of this bridge. Ayan. Thank you so much, Governor Edsel Grex Lagman. Baka naman, nakikita nyo naman ang napakagandang view dito. Here, ayan, connecting the city and the beautiful beaches here in Manito. Ayan, I've been in one of the beautiful beach here in Manito, the beach camp owned by Sir. Ayan, yung nakalimutan ko yung pangalan pero very accommodating and ang ganda. So, ayan guys, ang ganda dito. So, yun lang. Medyo may mga haunting repair. Ayan, baka naman. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan, for the... this is my first time going here in Manito. So, thank you so much in advance to those who will have their initiative to for the repair and beautiful Manito. Ayan. This mangrove area of Manito. Ayan, ang ganda dito sa Manito. So, para naman madaming maka-access dito sa road. And yun din, to witness also the beautiful Manito Albay. Thank you so much for the Kawit Bridge here in Kawit, Manito Albay. Thank you so much again, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And forget also I mentioned those who will contribute for the repair of this. This is not a paid advertisement, but this is an initiative also for... Oh my God. Sige. Hello po. And for the wholeheartedly project of the province of Albay. Thank you so much. Ayan. Ayan. Nandito na ako sa dulo. So maganda talaga siya. So the mangrove Manito Albay. So nandito na ako sa may concrete side. So yun lang. The bridge is a bit need of a repair. So thank you so much in advance to those who mentioned name. And napakaganda dito, guys. So thank you so much and hope you see you again. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, we are here in Manito Albay.